Alright, we got Chooch here. The camera didn't really charge, so it might die. But we got Mike here also, here with the
patent pending
ASPX Radium catch can.
Dual.
Okay, it's a dual catch can. It looks like the single. Oh no, I guess it's the dual. This is bent. Is it supposed to be that bent? We'll find out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
Now, where does this go, Mike? Does it go down below here?
The bar, in the filter. Yeah, in between the bar. Yeah.
Oh, I see it now. Okay, so right there it goes, and that's gonna hang down below there. Me and Mike were actually thinking we were gonna make a catch can right there because that's where the space is, but
And it turns out
obviously, if you have an idea, usually somebody made it. You just gotta search for it. But so we got the dual radium catch can. This thing's been smoking, and we're kind of thinking it's the turbo, but we're gonna put this catch can on, see how it does. It looks like a really nice setup, really nice pieces.
Oh yeah.
How much was this, Mike?
This was $500 something dollars.
Some dollars. All right. So let's say 600 with the shipping and the taxes.
Yeah.
So looks not bad. I mean, these. Oh, they have their own hoses. I mean, come on now. That's fire. Should be high quality stuff. So let's see how it goes.
This is some high quality stuff.
All right. We looked for an instruction manual. We found some pictures, so that's what we're going off.
Oh, check your email.
Check my email.
Check your
What for?
Just check.
I
sent the whole instruction.
Oh, okay. But here's this fitting already on here. Looking good. Mike gave me the wrong fitting though.
What? No.
That thing's too big. This one's glossy though. I don't know why this one's glossy. All the other ones are matte. Seems like this is a evil energy fitting or something. Kind of looks like it. But alright, that's gonna go down there onto a hose. And we'll check the email. It's on my computer here. Alright, so we are changing this fitting, that little crankcase fitting that comes up. So we're gonna take that off. It's right down there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. It's bolted right there. So we'll take that off. Boom, bam. Put our other fitting in. Alright, so we got the vent hose out. Now we're going to get the fittings off by heating them up. Maybe I should have been heating them up when I said this. Mike, what are you doing over here?
I'm just bolting it all up.
Mike's preparing everything. He's putting all the fittings on. Looking nice. Fittings looking nice. He's just making sure everything fits.
Don't forget to Loctite this. I am using red, but I'm just using a dab.
Whoa, he's using red Loctite, guys.
Just a little dab, guys.
Jeez. They ain't getting those off.
No, they're coming off.
Nah, they don't need to come off. Putting it in, we're forgetting about it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One time use.
One time use. Alright, Mike's heating this up. This is how we take these off. You heat them up a little bit. We could, these I had to cut with a razor blade because this one was super tight. Let's see if Mike can get it at. Oh, it's coming. Yeah! Perfect pull. No harm done.
Perfect.
Boom, bam.
And this one we keep capped off?
Keep capped off, yes sir. I wish we had another one that just deleted that, but boom, bam. That's how you take them off. And what's the progress like the overlooking like?
Let's see. Yeah, we just gotta cut to fit these hoses.
Cut to fit the hoses. It's coming around. I had to take this little water pump off for the turbo to get this line on. I probably didn't have to, but it seemed easier. You get that line, you probably can't see it. That line goes around the charge pipe all the way around here.
To here?
To these, yeah. And this smaller one that we put on the little fitting below there on the crankcase goes to the smaller one on top. So this is just for the intake. side really.
You can have them pointed down, pointed up.
But yeah.
What do you
It's
want?
gonna be cool. I don't know, I need to still fish that through. But yeah, that's the progress. We got her all lined up in there. She's looking pretty cool, pretty out of the way. What do you say?
All good.
All good.
Let's see. Hopefully.
It does in the instructions, if you're reading this, it says, what's it say, Mike? It says take off the turbo inlet connector, what's it say, adapter.
Oh
but
yeah, take the inlet housing.
the 3 bolts
adapter.
with the inlet adapter off, but we didn't do that. We just got a little swivel in there to get that
1/4 inch.
fitting on. Yeah, 1/4 inch.
Your 1/4 inch.
T30.
If you have a Wobble Plus, that's
Yeah.
highly recommended.
Alright, we're getting along here. We got this hose on. We put a clamp on it. I don't think they say you need a clamp. We're just fitting the cover. We're gonna hole saw a hole right here so you can see the radium.
Oh, that'd be kind of cool.
Just kidding. But we got the small catch can all dialed in. Lines are ran nicely. Got this line. We got one line left, Mike.
the big
And that one goes from that guy over there
to that.
to there. Yes, sir. And is that gonna go underneath
It's a pretty long hose.
or over top? So we're gonna see what we can come up with this fitment here.
Something like that.
It looked like that's how it was in the picture, like over top
Oh,
the
really?
intake, but I wasn't vibing with it really. We can't go below the intake at all. We could honestly make
Yeah.
a different fitting for that. Rotate it down and have it down below.
Well, I think it rotates with that.
Oh, okay.
But let's see if it fits.
Because we deleted that one hose, so
Oh, that way?
the fuel vapor. So yeah, if you could put her down, but we would need a shorter fitting for that. Can we find a coolant fitting?
Cool fit.
Yeah, you think? Like a 90-degree coolant fitting?
Yeah.
All
Let's go for the search.
Alright, we found our clicker. We're going to see if it clicks in. We already tested it without it. Looked good. These look pretty similar, so it's just a little 90 coolant fitting. Oh yeah, you hear that click?
Pops right in.
Did it click in?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, we'll see if it fits around here.
Sweet. No, I
Alright.
think it will, yeah.
Alright.
Clamp her on, call her a day. And
Let
it'll
them
go
click it
below the intake instead of above. So I didn't like the look of that very much.
So where? Alright.
Have to
Under?
hoop under. Is it gonna be long enough though? That's the question on everybody's mind. We could get a 90 one of those.
Oh, yeah, that's long enough.
Oh yeah, it's honestly perfect. No, we'll get a clamp for
May have
that.
an issue.
It looks tight, but I think it'll work. We'll just take her out, clamp her down. What do you think, Mike?
Yeah.
Alright, I like this.
There's enough space in here to feed it. There's a lot of space in this guy.
Yeah, there is a lot of space in the front of the car. Once you get the airbox, not a lot of space over here. There's some space here, but if you put like a full frame turbo, you got your wastegate here, so
Yeah.
not a good idea to stick anything there for further setups. Because these boys are always changing setups, these B58 boys.
They get used to the juice.
You get used to the power, you gotta up her a little bit. But
Alright, now we might have to, what? You think we can choose her in there, or should we cut this?
we can squeeze her in there. I think.
She's pretty,
Lube her up, Mike.
it's pretty big.
She's pretty big. Alright, we got all our lines ran. Finally got this one on. Got the 90 going down below there, right to here. So that's not bad. I like all the lines below it. This one was a little short. It could have been a little longer, but I think it'll be good. Once the intake's here, you won't really see too much of these hoses. So I think it'll be nice and clean. We'll show you just in 1 second what it looks like. Mike, what do you have to say about this install?
It's long,
It is
but it's
long.
nice parts.
This is a little tedious, but yeah, it's real nice. Everything fits good.
Nice parts.
Nice parts.
Tight fitments.
Tight fitments, yes sir.
Need
But
a wrench.
you can't really see it, so I think it's good. Oh, I gotta put the dipstick back in, because they do have a dipstick.
Do you have any AN wrenches?
And wrenches, I have a Nipex.
Yeah,
That's what you're trying?
Yeah. Too big. What size is that? 50?
Fits on right here. A little, what is that? 7/8? No? It's an inch.
7 inches too small. The final clip down.
Alright, Mike's clipping her down. That's the final step in this. She's all back together. You can really hardly tell it's there. This is just coming out, and if you really look hard, but it looks pretty stock, because before their setup, they want you to run that hose over top here to go to here, but
We don't like that.
yeah, since we put that 90 in, you can't even see it, so I like it. I like this bay. It's kind of stockish looking, you know, nothing crazy. I like it.
Pop that head.
Pop that hood.